Maybe not be the best time to wear a costume with this humidity
Very
in play.
true.
But
Very
hey,
hot.
at least it didn't pour on Eeyore's birthday, right? So that's a good thing. Maybe some rain chances tomorrow. We'll start with the almanac. 89 degrees was the high, normal high 82, but it felt so much warmer. Heat indices hit triple digits in Caldwell and Fayette County. Felt like the mid-90s in the Austin area. Temperatures in those 70s and 80s at this hour. 83 in Austin, 77 in Buda, 82 in San Marcos. Big picture, we got 70s and 80s. Still definitely warm for 9 o'clock standards, cooling out tonight to just the low 70s. Look at these dew points in the 60s and 70s. Dew point is 76 in Flatonia. That is extremely humid tropical air. That's closer to the Gulf. Cooling out tonight to the 60s and 70s, 72 in Austin, 68 in Mason, Llano, Fredericksburg, and Blanco. And by the afternoon, another day of some 80s and 90s. 91 in Austin, 93 in Burnett, 95 in San Saba, Llano, 93 degrees in Fredericksburg. Here's your day planner. Rain chance is going to be fairly calm and quiet for most of the day. Maybe a light mist in the morning with those low-level clouds, very similar to this morning. And then a partly sunny sky by the afternoon, warming up with a 10% to 20% isolated storm chance, again, depending on the cap. So look, most if not all will stay dry, but we can't rule out a strong to severe thunderstorm. Clouds and radar right now, nothing in central Texas. Different story, though, for our friends up in Dallas. Clouds and radar computer model through the remainder of the evening shows clouds building back in. Little spot sprinkle tomorrow morning. Here's around 6 a.m. Through the afternoon hours, some partial clearing. And then we could see a storm develop or stay completely dry. It's tough because it's one of those sunshine with a chance of a strong storm. Although I do anticipate most, if not all, will stay dry. I'm not too confident on it. Just like how yesterday and today we didn't get rain. Likely will be the case tomorrow, but still have to stay weather aware even if the clouds and radar is not really showing it. Storm Prediction Center has a level 1 out of 5 severe risk for most of the 15 counties here. If a storm bubbles up, breaks through the cap ahead of the dry line, large hail and damaging winds are the primary concerns. We'll have to wait and see. But again, that's why that rain chance is right around 10% or so. For Monday, even less, just a non-severe storm, so not even a severe potential as of now. We'll have to watch, though. That rain chance isolated sticks around through the majority of the work week. There is a little bit of confidence, though. We could see more of a scattered, which is that step up category for Thursday, Friday. And that's because a cold front will arrive, which gives us sometimes more of a confidence for widespread rain, but even so, it's limited. We'll go from the mid-90s, 95 on Tuesday. How about that? Front arrives Friday and Saturday. How about next Saturday if it plays out 72 degrees next weekend? Certainly a change and far less humidity. KXAN.com/weather for your full forecast, and always a great reminder to download our free KXAN First Warning Weather app.